Walmart's $19 Amazfit Bip 3 smartwatch. Better than Fitbit? Full review and buyer's guide. The budget smartwatch that's making fitness giants nervous. Walmart slashes Amazfit price by 70%, and users are abandoning their expensive trackers. Forget dropping hundreds on an Apple Watch or Fitbit. The smartwatch revolution just got dramatically more affordable. Right now, Walmart has quietly reduced the Amazfit Bip 3 smartwatch from $60 to an almost unbelievable $19, and longtime fitness tracker enthusiasts are making a surprising switch. While industry titans like Apple, Garmin, and Fitbit continue to dominate headlines in the fitness tracker market, a silent revolution is brewing among budget-conscious consumers. The Amazfit brand might not command instant recognition like its premium counterparts, but its value proposition at major retailers like Walmart is turning serious heads, particularly with this current markdown that slashes nearly 70% off the regular price. The Amazfit Bip 3 smartwatch has accumulated nearly 200 perfect 5-star ratings, with numerous reviewers expressing unexpected preference over their previous higher-end devices. "I like it better than my Fitbit, and feels better and works better," are sentiments repeatedly echoed in customer feedback. For peace of mind, Walmart offers Allstate protection plans. Just $3 for 2 years or $4 for 3 years of coverage. A minimal investment for long-term security. But here's where it gets truly impressive. Despite its budget-friendly price point, the Amazfit Bip 3 delivers battery performance that rivals premium models costing 5 times as much. Users consistently report approximately 2 weeks of battery life with standard usage, putting it in the same league as Garmin, widely considered the industry leader in power efficiency. For context, many smartwatch users have grown accustomed to nightly charging rituals with other brands, making this extended battery life particularly liberating for active individuals. The customization options exceed what you might expect at this price range. Users can select from over 50 distinct watch faces and personalize their widget layout to display precisely the information they prioritize. The physical design balances functionality with comfort, measuring just 9.7 millimeters in thickness and weighing a barely noticeable 33 grams. Despite these compact dimensions, it houses an expansive 1.69-inch HD display that remains clearly visible in various lighting conditions. Fitness enthusiasts will appreciate the comprehensive activity tracking capabilities. The device features more than 60 dedicated sports modes, including walking, running, cycling, strength training, and yoga, allowing for specialized metrics across different activities. Beyond exercise tracking, it monitors crucial health indicators like continuous heart rate, daily step count, blood oxygen saturation levels, and comprehensive sleep quality analysis. For swimmers and water sports enthusiasts, the 5 ATM water resistance rating means it can withstand pressures equivalent to 50 meters of water depth, more than sufficient for swimming and showering. One particularly enthusiastic customer raved, "This is the best fitness watch, by far. All of the style of an Apple Watch with battery life that makes me question how on earth Apple couldn't figure out how to make a watch last longer than a day. The accuracy is on par with my, also battery-hungry, Fitbit, and has been a huge upgrade in my life. I also like that I can sync the watch from an iPad, which I couldn't even do with my Apple Watch. So I don't have to worry about people reading my text messages or snooping on my notifications. I can't recommend this enough as an Apple Watch replacement, let alone the fact that I could buy 5 or 6 of these for the price of an Apple Watch." Another satisfied purchaser shared, "I got this. Unbelievable deal. Rugged military smartwatch for just $36. Worth every penny? Imagine a smartwatch that's both tough and stylish, designed to survive anything you throw at it, yet still looks sleek enough for daily wear." Amazon is currently offering the Keknato military smartwatch at a jaw-dropping $36, down from its original $160 price tag. Shoppers are raving about it, calling it rugged and reliable. But here's where it gets controversial. Is this truly the best deal for everyone, or are there hidden trade-offs? Let's break it down. The term military smartwatch isn't just marketing hype. It's a promise of durability. Unlike standard smartwatches, these are built to handle extreme conditions. The Keknato model is IP69 rated, meaning it's waterproof, dustproof, and shockproof. It can withstand rain, sweat, and even drops, making it ideal for adventurers, gym enthusiasts, or anyone who leads an active lifestyle. But this isn't just about toughness, it's also about versatility. With over 110 sport modes, from running to swimming, and even niche activities like golf or basketball, it's a fitness companion for every scenario. The watch's 1.4-inch display is bright and vibrant, easy to read in any light, and works seamlessly with your smartphone. You can use your phone to make calls, stream videos, or scroll through social media, all while the watch tracks your heart rate, steps, and calories. It's not just a fitness tracker. It's a multi-purpose tool that could become your go-to accessory for work, play, or travel. But here's the part most people miss: the price. While high-end brands charge hundreds for similar features, this watch delivers professional-grade performance at a fraction of the cost. Yet, some may argue, if you're looking for cutting-edge tech, is a $36 watch really enough? Or does the affordability come at the expense of long-term reliability? One shopper put it perfectly: the rugged yet sleek design gives it a bold, premium look that's perfect for everyday wear or workouts. The display is bright and vibrant, making it easy to read in any lighting. I love how responsive the touchscreen is and how intuitive the interface feels. The Cognito Military Smartwatch retails for $160, but you can shop it at Amazon for only $36 for a limited time. Prices are accurate and items in stock at time of publishing. So, is this the ultimate smartwatch for your lifestyle? Or is it a clever marketing ploy? We want to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Walmart's $25 smartwatch. The perfect fitness tracker. Walmart offers an unbelievable deal on a smartwatch. Imagine snagging a smartwatch that usually retails for $160 for just $25. Shoppers are raving about its durability and functionality, dubbing it their new best friend. Walmart is currently featuring the Mingwear smartwatch, a device that goes beyond merely telling time. This smartwatch allows you to make phone calls, read text messages, and even track your workouts on the elliptical. If you've ever wished for a watch that does it all, your wish has come true. Originally priced at $160, this compact gadget is now available for a staggering 84% off, bringing the price down to just $25. You can choose between stylish black or pink wristbands, combining both aesthetics and advanced features in one device. The Mingwear 1.39-inch smartwatch is compatible with both Android and Apple smartphones, enabling you to make and receive calls and texts seamlessly. Additionally, it functions as a fitness tracker, monitoring your distance and calories burned during activities like running, cycling, and swimming. All of this information is easily viewable on its clear 1.39-inch HD display, which fits comfortably on your wrist. Customers have been overwhelmingly positive about the Mingwear watch, showering it with 5-star ratings. One user shared, "I appreciate the feedback I get while working out, and it's incredibly comfortable. The battery life is fantastic, and it syncs effortlessly with my mobile device." Another customer highlighted the watch's perfect battery life, while a third praised its extreme durability. One enthusiastic shopper even claimed that this smartwatch is so effective at keeping you connected that it will truly become your new best friend. In summary, the Mingwear smartwatch is not just a stylish accessory. It's a reliable digital companion that offers much more than just timekeeping. Don't miss out on this incredible deal at Walmart. What do you think? Is this smartwatch worth the hype? Or do you believe there are better options out there? Share your thoughts in the comments below. ***. Prices are accurate and items are in stock at the time of publishing.